Andy, sleep na?
No.
Why? Are you not sleepy?
Yeah.
I guess let's just clean your ears a little, okay?
No, but you're not Mama.
No, I will clean it, only a few. Okay?
How?
Just only a little. So maybe that's what's causing your cough. Okay?
No, it's not. It's because of the Pringles.
Really? It's because of the Pringles? Okay. Just wait, we will clean that, okay? We will show it to Mama. That's why I am taking this video. Okay? Okay, Mama, this is the proof that we are cleaning Mandy's ear, right?
No.
Not just...
No.
Oh, see? That doesn't hurt. Oh, look! Look! Oh, sit down. Oh, see? Oh my God, look! Oh, see? That's only a few.
No, that's not mine.
Yes, that's why I said it's outside.
No, that's peanut butter. Eat it.
No, it's outside.
Eat it. That's peanut butter.
Okay, I will try the inside, huh?
Okay.
Let's try the inside. Come on, see, I told you it's dirty. Come on.
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
No.
How are you?
It's
Oh,
real.
come on.
Make it real.
Yeah, okay.
It's not real.
There you look, oh. Oh. See?
It's
oh.
not real.
Okay, I will try to dip it down, okay?
Fine.
Don't move. Don't move, huh? Okay? Just don't move. Wait.
Just put some peanut.
No. Oh. Don't move. Can you see that? Take a look at that. Why don't eat that, huh? Okay? I will use the other one. We will go a little deeper, okay? Wait, I'm just
Hey.
okay. No, dear. Because I only went into, do you call that? I didn't go so deep. Right? Oh, I will go deep. Okay?
No.
See? Can you feel that? Is that deep? Oh my God! See? Oh, don't touch! I use this one. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's so I told you, see?
Try to eat it.
No! Why would I eat your tutuloy?
Eat it.
Oh, see? Which one is bigger? See? This one is outside. And this one is the inside. Okay, I will use the other one. Here, the other side. Okay?
No, I don't want.
The other side, we will show it to Mama. Oh, ayan oh. Come on. And then after I will eat it. Promise. Okay? But I will toothbrush.
No, you're not allowed to toothbrush.
Okay, is that a deal? You will let me get the other one there? On the other side? Okay. Just don't be scared. After this, you will be fine. Here. Careful. No. There. Sit down. Okay, face there.
It's a peanut butter. Looks like peanut butter.
No, it's not.
No.
This one is the combination of all, alright?
No.
Here. Can you feel? Okay. Now I will go inside now.
No.
Combination. Okay, I will clean it up. Okay. Done. Here. It's a combination. Mandy, it's okay. It's okay. Here. This is the problem now. Who cursed you? Who which? Or did you eat some? Did you eat a lot there, oh? Take a look. Oh my God. Take a look. No, I think it's nothing. safe.
I don't believe you.
Yeah, it's nothing. Look. Okay, now I will. Since you did it, okay, I think I should I have to do the deal because you let me clean your ears and I will clean it up. Look.
Eat it.
Oh, why don't you try? Can you try it on Totole? This is your own.
You do it first,
What's the
Papa.
smell?
You do it first.
The combination?
Yeah, please, you promised.
No.
Oh my God! Take a look at that.
Eat it.
Yeah, this one.
Eat it.
It's a prank. It's a peanut butter.
Told you I'm right.
There you go. Yummy. Yeah. I think that's the real Totole. I think that's real.
Yeah, Laura even used that. Laura used that.
Andy, here, come on. I have an idea. Later, I will ask Mama to clean your ear, which she usually does, right? And then after that, okay, you will tell Mama, okay, Mama, I will let you clean my ears, but then Papa will clean your ears, okay? Then we will prank Mama later. How's that sounds, Mandy? Let's do it.
Wait, Mama can hear it.
No, it's okay. She will not hear it until I... Okay? You act so good. Don't laugh. So, what's up guys? So, ngayon, ipaprank namin ni Mandy si mama niya. Peanut butter. Like this. And I will put peanut butter on these cotton buds. Yeah! Okay?
I knew it.
Yeah. But maybe, parang nakain ko na yung Totole eh. So, mamaya tingnan natin. Yun, dito niya.
So big. I think
Andy, I will put the cotton buds here and wait for Mama, okay? But for the meantime, you continue to answer, okay? Let's wait for Mama. Yung tenga niya? Parang makati daw. Go na muna.
Kuya ko muna, I will check it. I'll just drink water. Eto?
Pang ano lang, papacheck. Nag-ano siya. Di ba mani?
Ayun.
Dali na, Mama will check your... Ay! Sa akin nga, Bip, tingnan mo kung meron.
Mayroon.
Uy,
Dito.
sa'yo nga, check ko.
Wala yan.
Tingin. Hindi, meron pa. Pero konti lang. Dali naman dito sa mga will...
Tingin. Wala akong tipo to. On this side. Hindi ko makita. Mamaya tingnan natin sa'yo.
I-ano mo natin sa'yo.
Wala yan!
Promise.
Hindi, konti lang naman. Wala, wait lang. Hindi, konti lang. Dito lang muna sa labas. Ayan yung wax. Wait lang.
Hindi na... Ah!
Wala, ba't ka nakikilit eh? Wait, papasok ko konti sa loob.
Uy, masundot mo hindi.
Hindi.
No, she won't. No, Mama.
Na, tuloy. May
Hawakan mo kasi
Ay,
tinte.
sige. Wala pa nga eh.
Wala pa!
It's just the first time you've been doing this to Mandy.
You're pranking me.
No, she's wrong. He's wrong.
Dali na.
Kini
Isa
ka
lang. Tangix.
Bilisan mo na!
Oo, ayan. Ala. Saglit lang. Kailangan...
Saglit.
Ayan, no? Ang laki, gagi.
Wala yun, tangis. Wala ko na.
Tangix, ang laki. Ayan, no? Look! Yak!
Pinat mo.
Ang laki!
So big.
Yak!
Okay. Come on. Andy. Only I will not touch like the point. Oh. See? So easy, right? Ay, don't move. See, ayun oh. Ay, oh, it's only here oh. At the outside only.
I know now.
Quiet. Mama is seeing this, so guys.
Oh my God, you didn't even let it yet.
What?
You didn't even let it yet.
Let it in? Okay.
Edito.
What?
Edito.
And then quiet.
Edito.
Okay.
Naman like we were vlogging.
Okay.
Edito.
No, I will just show it to Mama. Ay, si Mandy naman. Let's take a look. Ay. Feel mo look, oh, without Mandy. She's hurting herself. Oh, maybe that's because of the dirt. Okay. Mandy, don't move.
Because of the Pringles, I told you.
Okay, just don't move.
Fine.
So hard.
Eh.
Here we go.
Oh.
Wait. Here. Don't bite that, Mandy.